The type is explanatory research, aims to explain causal relationship between variables, tells direct and moderating effects from the independent variable and through dependent variable moderated by moderating variable. Acute given Ethiopian crisis attracting international attention and concern. Indonesia, as the country with the largest Muslim population in the world, this issue has a very strong emotional, spiritual, and historical resonance. The market penetration of bottled water in Indonesia continues to increase every year.
I saw a lot of writer, it's not in bibliography. For example, on page 37, yeah, I think Rizal, you have to specifically mention what kind of Israeli product do you mean to your respondent. Yeah, I think you have to, your respondent have the same perception.
Yeah.
And to hair at all, it's not in bibliography. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Mr. SNP. Next question from the examiner is Nurul Isatullah and Aniso.
Well, for Ahmad Rizal Hanif, I would like to say congratulations. So this is the first milestone of your research proposal and to finish your study. Yeah? That should be supported by any references. So if it's not supported by theory, it's just your assumption. It's just your opinion for us. So you should put any references related to this statement to make it strong. Full name and also the year. That should be year. In which year is it happened? Is it a long time ago or 2025, 2024? You should put it. I would like to ask you why it should be mineral water. Because many boycott product. Why you choose mineral water? And then I find some paragraphs that is not related to your context, like in page 9. It is good actually, right? Like more specifically this phenomenon, like you mentioned that there are some organizations. Hey, the resource. I mean, these local productive research, where is it from? Which theory you use? You should mention the expert and the year. The purchase decision in conceptual framework. So elaborate more about your research location. I believe that I think in Kendari, especially from Southeast Sulawesi region, you can add some much more information from here. The population, the ethnicity, should be comprehensive. Okay. Which sampling techniques do you use for sampling? Purposive?
Propose something with non-probability approach.
Okay. So how do you, for example, if you want to go to observe, yeah, how do you know that this person is exposed to boycott calls and this one is not exposed?
There is question in the section 1 in my question.
Thank you very much for all information from the examiner. Should be noted here. Okay. The basic question of your research is, you see, make it more micro, because this is the management, yeah? Particular in marketing management. So, where are your research location? What do you mean by moderator variable? What do you mean? Moderator variable. Okay. And the variable of y? Okay. Yeah. In my opinion, it will be better to just remove the moderating variable. You know, remove.
This case is very critical because we cannot divide the sure divide. This is Israel, pure Israel product or mix. But in the problem, you must write for example, in the suggested formulation, you must write the mineral, especially in program formulation, please plus of aqua water. I agree that.
Input from the examiner should be noted, yeah, and corrected as soon as possible. You have to finish the correct, yeah, as soon as possible. Your proposal exam score today is, okay, in grade A in 83.5.
Especially amidst increasing demands for transparency, sustainability, and corporate social responsibility. So of course, I have the problem formulation and research objective. The first is, does ESG disclosure affect green innovation? The second, does green innovation affect firm value? The third, does ESG disclosure have a direct impact on firm value? And the last is, does green innovation mediate the effect of ESG disclosure on firm value? And third, research objective is, the first is analyzing the influence of ESG disclosure on green innovation. The second, analyzing the influence of green innovation on firm value. The third is analyzing the direct influence of ESG disclosure on firm value. And the last is analyzing the role of green innovation as a mediating variable between ESG disclosure and firm value. So of course, have the benefits of research and the scope of research.